Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am. In the poem The Night Mail by W.H. Auden, what are the figures of speech used? Now, in the line, shoveling white steam over her shoulder. In this line, the author uses personification. Here the train is personified, meaning the train is personified as a human figure which is billowing smoke or shoveling steam. Now in the next line, that is silent miles of wind-bent grasses. What does the poet talk about? What does the poet, what kind of a figure of speech does the poet use? The poet here uses personification as well as imagery. Now these miles of grass, they are silent. The silence of the miles of grass. And the poet uses imagery to vividly describe the bending of the grass by the wind which is blowing. Therefore, the lines portray peacefulness and also isolation. There is a certain remoteness in these lines, tranquility and remoteness in these lines. In the next line, that is, a jug in a bedroom gently shakes. Now what is this? What kind of figure of speech is used in this line? This is imagery. Why? Because the jug seems to shake because of the disturbance and the tremors that is caused with this train moving very, very fast. Then comes a very important line, the fields of apparatus, the furnaces set on the dark plain, like a gigantic chessman. Now here, the fields of apparatus and the furnaces set on a dark plain, like a gigantic chessman, is a simile because a comparison is used. Now, what is the comparison here? The comparison that the poet uses is the furnaces to the furnaces of the industrial area to the gigantic chessman. He is trying to emphasize the size and the placement of these furnaces in this industrial city or industrial landscape that the night mail is passing through. Then the lines, letters with holiday snaps to enlarge in. Here, the letters and the holiday snaps to enlarge in is a metaphor. Now, how is it a metaphor? Because the letters contain photographs that hold memories and which can be expanded upon, which can be thought of, and which can emotionally take you, nostalgia can take you to that place. Then comes the line, letters with faces scrawled on the margin. Again, and imagery is used. And then the cold and the official and the heart's outpouring. Here also a comparison, sort of a juxtaposition is used as it contrasts the formal nature of the letters and the emotional, heartfelt expression of the outpouring of whatever is written in the correspondence.